All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Claire. What's your Instagram name?
Lady Baguette.
Lady Baguette.
Like the bread.
She loves bread more than I do, and that's saying I'm a brioche guy.
Oh. Croissant, baguette.
A croissant, a baguette. What we're gonna be doing today is a challenge video here in Venice. We got 3 different locations for you. We're gonna do here with these rocks. Second location is gonna be at the handball courts that are in Venice. And then the third one, we're gonna do something fun, so stick around for that. But what are you shooting with today?
I have my Canon Mark IV, and I have a 24-70.
I'm gonna do my Sony A9 with the 50mm 1.4. Rules real quick. So rules are we're each gonna have 2 minutes to shoot our amazing model, Lily. She's gonna hop in here in a sec. Did you just wink?
This is Lily.
What up?
Yeah.
So we're each gonna have 2 minutes each to go through and photograph Lily in each different outfit, in each different location. You guys can vote in the comments whose pictures you like the most. Hopefully you'll say mine, but if you guys haven't seen
Lady Baguette for the win, okay?
if you guys haven't seen her work, it's pretty epic. So all right, are you guys ready? You feeling good?
Yeah,
Hell yeah.
let's get to
Should we do a 3-way high five?
Woo! That was so awkward. Woo! That was so...
All right, we'll rock, paper, scissors
Okay,
for it.
yeah, whoever out of 3, whoever wins.
Out of 3?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's 1 out of 1.
That's okay.
All right.
I like to be the underdog. Ready?
Ready?
Oh, we did it wrong.
You
Sorry.
did 4.
I know I did 4.
Okay,
Ready?
wait.
1, 2, 3. What is this?
It's paper.
This is not paper. This is paper.
That's the same thing.
Did you ever learn to play this? I lost. Okay, so I'm going first. This is gonna look real sexy here on the pants.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Okay, perfect. I love that. That's perfect. Perfect. Give me like a little shoulder shrug, like a little playful. That's great. Throw your hair to that side.
Got a minute 27.
Oh yeah, I got all day. Oh, that's perfect.
1
The leg
minute.
cross there. Oh my God.
15 seconds.
go. Love it.
3, 2, 1. I'm not gonna lie, I accidentally paused it for a solid 30 seconds, so you technically got 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
I think you probably saw me struggling and you were like, oh my God, this guy
I
needs
was
at
trying to
least
give you an
another 30
edge.
seconds. It's a rush, right?
Yes, it's very
It's hard, because you gotta adjust to like the lighting, your settings, like the
in
background.
a rush.
She's all yours.
Okay, can we go stand and then you
All
start
right,
it?
3, 2, 1, go.
Up one leg out a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. Oh, it's fine, it's fine. Just stand on this one, sit on it, all the way. Have one leg out, lean back.
Oh,
Oh my God, my shoes are Okay, now come out here. Oh my God, my shoes are so Yeah, perfect, hold that.
I didn't even think to have her lay in the water. Damn it.
Super quick.
9 seconds, 8, 7,
Yeah, right there, look at me.
1.
Done. Yo, my shoes are Look at what I just put. I put my entire heart and soul.
I know, I
into this
love
section.
it.
Ah! No! My heart is like kind of broken
I love
right
how
now.
into it you got. That was
Didn't
amazing.
even stop.
That was amazing.
All right, I really hope I got that's hard.
Yeah, that's fire.
So she told me my picture was cute. She told her picture was fire. Which do you think she liked better? Okay, I really am out of my element. So you recommended the spot. Why do you like shooting here?
I love shooting here because it's super muted colors and there's a lot of cool like shadow light play, especially like during super intense lighting time of the day. And I also really like desaturated looks. Like, I don't know if you've seen my stuff, but it's like the least amount of color, the more I like it. So this is right up my alley.
It's amazing. That's probably the only similarity between this place and what I shoot is that it's super neutral colors.
Yeah.
I went first last
going
time,
first?
so you're going first.
Okay.
So I get to see kind of how you're going to handle this.
Okay.
And then we'll see what happens.
Ready?
You ready, Lily?
We got this. Such a good fun, girl. Okay. Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Beautiful chin up. Like, just on the shoulders. Yeah, perfect. And Done. Woo! Oh shit. Oh, I know. I got
Look at that
so
smile.
many banger shots. Yo. Yeah, that was so good.
They look way too excited for me to have a chance. Okay, I'm just gonna leave. I'm just gonna leave.
First one was hard. This is literally, this says baguette all over it.
You're like a whole different person in this space.
I know. It's okay.
Okay, I have like one idea maybe.
Mark. Get set. Go.
Down, and then yeah, that. Here, I want to get like the line cutting across your face. So go to where there. Just a baby step. Rotate a little more towards the wall. All right, yeah, you're looking right at me. Give me a little shoulder shrug, like you're a little hiding. Sweet, like all the way over here, like tornado almost. Okay, go ahead.
30 seconds.
Sweet, I feel good. I'm ready. I'm done.
You're done?
Nice work. Nice work.
Damn.
I have no idea.
Cutting it early?
I think it's gonna be good. Actually, the coolest one I thought that I got was, I mean, that's pretty badass. Check this out. Okay, so first two were really stressful. This one we're gonna have a little fun with. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy a few things just here in Venice to style the model.
Create our own outfit, basically.
Create our own outfit.
Yeah.
I'm terrible. I can barely clothe myself. So Claire's gonna probably be
I'll
taking
style it a little bit.
taking the main road on this one. So you know, you see some stuff that you want to start with?
Yeah, I think I have some good ideas.
All right.
Kind of like modern, techie type of stuff.
I'm in. Let's check it out.
Let's do it.
Okay, so we're kind of rushing right now because we bought this whole outfit in Venice and it looks awesome, and we want to do it with an ice cream cone, and it is like melting. It is melting. So we're rushing.
We got a live prop here, a live prop.
Think so.
Is it on your nose?
Yep.
Okay. All right. No, it's good. It's good. It's fine. It's supposed to be like that.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Just hold it in front of you, and then like, okay. Tell.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hold that. Hold it a little bit closer to you. Yeah, perfect. Just. Yeah. Do you have a napkin?
Where are the napkins?
Tastes it good? No.
On the right side, it's not.
Come on.
We
Back
have a
up.
minute and 10
Face this
seconds
way.
left.
Beautiful.
All right, time's up.
That was crazy.
All right, you gotta go, Mike, if you want.
This is like the most random thing I've ever seen. Okay, so you can just hold that like way out. Just like let it drip for a sec. For a second. I want to see if there's some reflection that we can get in your glasses. And then bring it like real close to your face. I'm just gonna keep going right there. No. Right. Now I just want you to, you're gonna be walking that way.
You have 1 minute.
Oh yeah, I got all day basically. I got all day, Winston. Okay, perfect. Okay, crisscross your steps.
45
Okay, go ahead.
seconds.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, go ahead. Yes, I love it. To the right.
I love it.
Perfect. That's all my imagination can hold. I'm completely done. You can just devour that if you want to. Oh my God. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Claire, what'd you think? What was your favorite outfit?
It was so fun. My favorite outfit would have to be the third outfit for sure.
Really?
Yeah, the third outfit, but I liked the second location a lot better. First, overall thing, it was just super hard for me. Didn't know what I was doing. I didn't have a full, knowledge of like the time and like how short that really is. But yeah, second location, so sick. Like, so my vibe. Third outfit, so my vibe.
Nice. Yeah. I had such a hard time with the third outfit. I just sort of like gave it. She was like, all the ice cream melting on her hand. I was like, just go walk over there. Just go all the way over there. But I ended up actually really loving the second spot. The jacket was really cool. The colors popped.
Yeah.
I actually really like putting a bunch of them into black and white. So
yeah.
That was real sick.
I like that like you were kind of nervous about the second location because it wasn't really your full vibe, but that's what you end up liking the most.
Worked out.
It's just a show. You gotta try, get out of your comfort zone.
Take it from her.
Do something you're not used to doing.
You gotta have an inspirational quote.
Eat baguettes, make money.
okay? Eat baguettes, make money. All right, so guys, go check out Claire's Instagram, go check out Lily's Instagram. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.
What is this? Yeah, check it out. Comment, like, subscribe. I'm so annoying.